Hey guys, welcome to Tomatoes, Poppies, and Everything Gardening. It is the end of February, and I'm hoping this is our last snow of 2025. It's the perfect time to plant some of these cool weather flowers. So we're going to plant poppies, and I love poppies. It's in the name of my channel. And we're going to plant some sweet peas. So let's go pick out what we want to plant first, and then I'll show you how easy it is to direct sow these beautiful. Whoa, there was just an avalanche off my neighbor's roof. Did you hear that? I only have a small selection of the beautiful sweet pea seeds. They are toxic. I do not keep them in my garden areas or anywhere someone would confuse them for food. And I do not keep them anywhere that my dog can reach. This is an odor seed packet from 2022. So we're just going to use this up today. It's going to be in the front yard in two planters that both have a trellis. So I'll show you where I'm going to plant them. But first I want to go through all of my poppy seeds and pick out what poppies do we want to sow today. End of February, this is the perfect time. There's still snow on the ground. They're going to get that cold stratification, and then it's going to warm up. They're going to sprout. They're going to grow, and by May we're going to have some beautiful blooms. I do have an extensive poppy seed collection. However, I've only ever introduced two varieties to my garden here in my front yard because poppies are also toxic, except for these bread seed poppy seeds after they've been dried and harvested on the plant. The other parts of the plant are toxic, so I do not keep those in the backyard. I only keep those in the front where my dog cannot reach the flowers or any part of the plant. So these are the two varieties, Hungarian Blue, Lauren's Grape. So these poppies do self-seed in my garden here in the front, and they've been coming back on their own for several years. However, not as plentiful. So now it's time to reseed again. And these seeds here I've collected over the last year or so, and they are a variation of these two plants. There could be some cross between the two plants. So I suspect I'll get anywhere from a light lavender to a dark rich purple. But I may use just these seeds today because I'm thinking to myself, do I want to introduce a new color variation to this garden because we will be moving soon. So I don't know. I'm thinking about it. Let's look at the seeds I have and then we'll make a choice. Now I do have, I have had a variety of California poppies in the past, and sometimes they act like perennials here for me. We do need to reseed some California poppies, so I'm not sure what color just yet. Right now I'm gonna just look at the regular poppy seeds. Got this beautiful black swan, which would really look well and complement the other purple variations that I have. But I really love this ladybird. So pretty. Oh, that's so pretty too. All right, another California. We'll put that over there. Another California. Oh, this one's gorgeous. Falling in Love. Strawberry Fields. Oh, California. I have to move that. Another California. Goodness. Maybe I do not have as many regular poppy seeds as I thought, because this is also California Wonder. Okay, this is, I don't know if this is a regular poppy seed. I would have to look it up. I'll put a picture here on the screen. Okay, another one. Put another picture up because I really do not know. Pandora, I do not know what these look like. Okay, Raspberry Ripple. I think our choice is made for us today. We're going to save these. We're going to save all of those. We will introduce the Black Swan, and we will just go with our old poppy seeds that I've been collecting for years. I think that'll look really pretty. So we're just going to go with this Spring Medley Blend California Poppy. It's an old pack. I want to use it up. And we're going to introduce the Black Swan into Lauren's Grape, and my mind is, oh, I wrote it here, good. Hungarian Blue. We really need to find some areas that are going to be undisturbed with spring cleanup and mulching and so forth. So I'm kind of looking around thinking, am I going to be weeding? Am I going to be mulching? Because I don't want to waste my time planting these guys. I say that because poppies do not like their roots disturbed at all. So I think I will plant some California poppies right in this area by the feverfew. I think that'll look pretty. We're literally just going to sprinkle these right on top of the snow, and they will get cold stratification as they make their way down through the snow to the soil. And we still have a bit of cold weather, and then we will start to warm up and these guys can sprout. I'm at a new location. I'm going to put some California poppies here in the front. Literally, I'm just going to sprinkle the seeds, and they like torpedo straight through is what's been happening. And then in the background, I'm going to sprinkle some of our poppy seed mix. The seeds are microscopic, but literally that is how easy it is. You can see I have a pretty wide dispersion of the seeds, pretty far too. That'll be really pretty. I think I will mix in a few of those frilly poppies that are similar color, and that will be just stunning. Now I will have to do a little weeding, working around a couple of the plants, unfortunately. Actually, I might move that snow because those will get disturbed if I have to dig up those wild onions. All right, this whole area completely done now with 3 varieties poppies. So I just need to go find maybe 2 more spots where I would like to establish these guys in a big cluster. I'm thinking right in through here because I have some alliums that bloom a pretty purple. Actually, there they are. So I think I'll concentrate a big patch all through here. They look really pretty. And then maybe a patch right down in that area as well. And then I think we'll be done for the day with poppies. Maybe, I don't know. I am wearing snow boots today. So I just seeded this area with these 3 colors. You see my garlic is nice and insulated under that snow. Very lately planted garlic. So now I'm going to go find I think I'll do this area. In the summer I have gladolias come up here and some dahlias. I think I'll go ahead and put the poppies all through here. Thinking about putting a big patch right in front of this big black knight butterfly bush. Probably get out here next week and cut this back and prune it for late winter. It will get cut down significantly, so it would look really pretty to have some poppies right in front. These are the 2 containers I want to plant the sweet peas in, but the ground is frozen, so I'll have to wait a day or 2. Our weather is extremely capricious. It will be 70 probably in 2 days, but today it's like high of 30. Lots of snow still on the ground from yesterday, so have to wait on that. But I'm so excited. I got the poppies done. We are going to have a beautiful display come May. Look, I still have a ton of seeds left. And I have a lot of videos, or a couple, on collecting poppy seeds. Come back for the garden tours, guys. I think you'll be amazed to see the beautiful purple poppies in May.